Here's a new 2019 Chevrolet Silverado 1500. Built to keep up with the rugged demands of your life, this Silverado 1500 is strong, safe, and comfortable. It comes with all the amenities you need: automatic transmission, electronic shift on the fly, Ecotec 3 engine, aluminum wheels, Bluetooth streaming audio, Apple CarPlay Android Auto, manual tilting steering column, trailer hitch receiver, shocks, and power heated mirrors. Edmunds.com reports the Silverado pickup is just as adept at serving as the weekday family car as it is at transporting home improvement supplies or towing a boat on the weekends. There's more than a century of ingenuity and significance in every Chevy. You need to drive it to believe it. See it for yourself today.
Hall Automotive. More cars, great people. Hall Chevrolet Chesapeake, a MileOne company, is minutes off I-264 or I-664. Easy to get to from all of Hampton roads.